Welcome back to the channel. In this video I have sample footage from two VANTRUE E1 Pro 4K ultra high definition single channel dash cameras. The one on the upper left has the PlatePix feature turned on, the upper right has the feature turned off. The lower center is the VIOFO A119M Pro, which is also a 4K ultra high definition single channel dash camera. I have plate capture attempts from various lighting situations day and night, so you can take a look and see how well each of those perform in those various situations. If you find this video to be informational, make sure you hit that like button. Thanks for watching. For the nighttime footage, I've removed the CPL filters from all three dash cameras.